morning children. Today we are going to learn subject EVS chapter 4 I love festivals. Today children I am going to explain you this chapter I love festivals. So children, do you know children, in our India there are many festivals and we celebrate festivals with our family, relatives and friends. Mostly festivals begin with prayers. People wear new clothes, greet each other and exchange sweets. There are many festivals celebrated in India. Today, let's we learn about Diwali, which we all of us favorite festival. See this picture. Do you know children why we celebrate Diwali? So answer is Diwali marks the return of Lord Rama, Sita and Lakshmana from the forest after 14 years of exile to Ayodhya. So for this happiness we celebrate Diwali. Do you know children, Diwali is a festival of lights. Yes, on Diwali people light up their homes with diyas, lanterns, candles and colored lights at night. People exchange sweets and gifts each other. You can see this picture. You can see the picture of lighting and also burst crackers at night. Diwali is a festival of 5 days. People worship goddess Lakshmi. You can see this picture of Lakshmi Puja, you know na very well. Yes, on Diwali we worship the goddess Lakshmi. People celebrate this festival joyful with each other happily and greet each other and say what? Happy Diwali. Yes. Now next we will see Dussehra. Do you know children why we celebrate Dussehra? So answer is Dussehra is celebrated to remember the victory of Lord Rama over Ravana. On this day a model of Ravana is burned. Ramlila acts are also enacted, especially in Bengal. This is the time of Durga Puja. You can see this picture. For 10 days this goddess Durga is worshipped and on the 10th day the idol of Durga is immersed in the water. And also in Gujarat this is a festival Navratri. People dance the Garba and Ras till 9 days happily with a colorful dress. They enjoy 9 days at night. In India, people happily enjoy these festivals. Look at this picture. Yes, they are playing Garba dance. They are doing Garba and Ras. Children are joyfully play the Garba and Ras. Children, Mysore Dussehra is one of the most famous Dussehra festivals celebrated in India. Dussehra is also the traditional festivals which teaches us the truth, good deeds and moral values.